So if you are a network administrator and if you want to access all your network computer files, folders and drives centrally, then this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to access all your network computer files, folders and drives without sharing. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, as you can see, here is my two virtual machine and here's my physical machine from where I'm recording, because right now I don't have a live situation. So I'm going to show you guys from my virtual machine. So now as you can see, here is a two PC. The number one is Tricknology 2 and number 2 is a Tricknology 1. So I'm going to show you guys how to access those files. So just go to the CMD, then find the IP address to type ipconfig. As you can see, the IP address is 192.168.0.110 and the second computer IP is 192.168.0.1.111. So now what you have to do, you need to go to your main computer from where you need to access this computer files and folders. So before I'm going to access, so I'm going to create few files and folders on the desktop. So the first folder name is Tricknology and the second folder name is, second file name is I will put here Tricknology, same Tricknology test. Okay, so here is the file Tricknology folder and file, as you can see. So now what you have to do, you need to go to your physical machine from where you need to access your folders and files. So just go to the start menu and type over there // then 192.168 then 0 dot then your computer IP and then slash, then your drive. In this case I will access a C drive, so I will put here C then $sign. So you have to press shift and 4 button together from your keyboard, and after that press enter from your keyboard. So after done, it will come, as you can see, enter the network password. It will show in the prompt. Okay, so now what you have to do, you need to put the username. In this case I will put here administrator. So you have to put your administrator username. In this case in my case it is administrator, and then you have to put the administrator password, like I'll put here administrator password. And if you have to remember this credential, then you have to check this option, otherwise click on OK. And as you can see, here is my all the C drive files. So if I'll go to a user, then Tricknology 2, then under desktop, as you can see, here is a 2 file I am accessing from my main computer. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.